In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Patreon. First, open a fresh browser window and search for Patreon. This helps ensure you're starting from a clean session. When the results appear, click the official Patreon link at the top. You'll know you're in the right place if the web address ends with .com and you see the familiar Patreon branding. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method and complete any verification prompts if they appear. After you're in, make sure you're viewing your member profile rather than any creator tools. If you have multiple views on your account, look for a profile or account switcher and select the member side so the menus match what we're using today. Next, find the Settings option in the left-hand navigation menu and click it. This is where Patreon keeps your account and billing controls. At the top of the Settings page, you'll see a menu bar. Click More, and from the drop-down, choose Payment Methods. This section lists the cards and PayPal accounts you've saved and is the hub for adding or updating how you pay for memberships. To add a new payment method, click Add Payment Method. You'll be offered two choices: Add Card or Add PayPal. Pick the one you prefer. If you're adding a card, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or postal code. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. If you're connecting PayPal, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. When you're done, save your changes and wait for a quick confirmation. If you need to update an existing card, maybe the expiration date changed, you received a new CVV, or your zip code is different, click Edit next to that card. Update the fields that have changed and save. This keeps your active memberships from failing due to outdated details. Here's an important tip about switching what pays for your current pledges. If you add a new method and want it to cover memberships you already support, you must delete the old method. When you remove it, Patreon will prompt you to choose a new payment method for your memberships. Select the newly added one and click Done. This smoothly reassociates your pledges without interrupting support. If there are any past due charges, the new method may be charged right away to bring everything up to date. That's it. You've added or updated your payment details, and you're ready to continue supporting your favorite creators without interruption.